Stop America. Stop scrolling right now. Because what I'm about to reveal is something most people will ignore and later regret for the rest of their lives. Right now, in homes, in drawers, in old jars across the United States, there are coins hiding in plain sight, coins that look completely ordinary, coins people spend every single day without thinking twice. But one of those coins, just one, could carry a hidden value so powerful, so shocking, that collectors are quietly hunting for it, paying serious money for it. And the craziest part? Most people still don't know it exists. This is not hype. This is not a story. This is happening right now in today's market. What if that old wheat penny you ignored, the one with spots, the one that looks worn out, what if that exact coin is actually a rare piece of hidden wealth?
Today, we are uncovering one ultra-rare U.S.
coin, a single penny, that has shocked collectors and is rising in value every single day. Stay with me, because this is not just a video. This is a wake-up call.
And by the end of this, you might realize
You've been holding a treasure all along. Coin number 1. There's something almost unbelievable about this coin. A simple wheat penny from 1953, something millions of Americans have seen, touched, and spent without a second thought. But here's the truth that changes everything. Not all 1953D wheat pennies are the same.
some of them, quietly, have become powerful collector targets. And the difference?
It's in the details. The condition, the identity, the story it carries. And this one, with its black spots, its aged surface, its old, authentic look. This is where the ordinary transforms into something extraordinary. Let's go back to 1953. America was moving forward, building strength, growing economically, and the Lincoln wheat penny was still part of everyday life. Minted in Denver, marked with that small but powerful D, this coin was produced in large numbers, meant to circulate, meant to be used. Not meant to be saved, not meant to become rare, but time always changes the story. Made primarily of copper, this coin carries the classic composition that gives it that warm tone, that aged beauty, that collectors instantly recognize. Decades have passed, and while most of these pennies disappeared into circulation, damaged, lost, forgotten, a few survived, and survival creates power. Now here's where things get intense. At first glance, black spots might look like damage. But in the world of collectors, they can represent authenticity, originality, and age that hasn't been altered. This coin's old look, its natural wear, its untouched surface. That's what makes it special. Because many coins are cleaned, polished, ruined, but this one? It tells the truth of its journey. Collectors don't just want perfect coins. They want real coins. Coins that carry history on their surface. Coins that feel alive. And a 1953D wheat penny in this kind of preserved, aged condition becomes something very hard to find. That's where demand rises. That's where collectors start paying attention. Focus on the details. Dito. That D mint mark, small but powerful, connecting this coin directly to the Denver Mint. The wheat ears on the reverse, still visible, still holding their design, still telling their story. And those black spots, they create contrast, depth, character. Dreamy. They make this coin different from millions of others, and in collecting, different means valuable. This is not just another penny. This is a coin with identity. Now, get ready, because this is the part most people don't believe until they see it. This exact coin, USA wheat penny 1953D, with black spots and old look condition, has reached a current market value of $144,000. Yes, a single penny. Now, standing at $144,000 in today's market. Let that sink in. This is not a joke. This is not a guess. This is absolutely the current market value right now. And here's the truth that most people don't understand. This value is not standing still. It is increasing. Day by day, quietly, steadily, as more collectors enter the market, as more awareness spreads, as fewer of these coins remain available. This penny is becoming more powerful. This is not small change. This is big money. This is hidden treasure. And if you have one like this, you are holding something extraordinary. If you ever find a 1953D wheat penny, do not ignore it. Look closely. Check the mint mark. Check the condition. Check the surface. Because what seems ordinary might not be ordinary at all. Never clean it. Never try to fix it. Because its natural condition, its authenticity, is what gives it value. Protect it. Store it carefully. Because coins like this, once recognized, don't stay hidden forever. This is more than just a coin. This is a symbol that even the smallest things can carry massive value. A reminder that hidden treasures still exist, right here, in America, waiting to be discovered. And if this coin is sitting somewhere in your home, then you're not just holding a penny, you're holding a powerful asset, a rare piece of history, a treasure that is rising right now. And remember, CoinShock brings you these powerful discoveries every single day. Fresh updates, rising values, and hidden treasures that most people never see. So stay alert, stay ready, and start checking your coins. Because the next big discovery could already be in your hands.